Have you ever wondered how New Year is celebrated in Cambodia? Well, it's a vibrant and unique affair, quite unlike any other. What sets Cambodia apart is that the country doesn't limit itself to just one New Year celebration. No, they take it several steps further, observing multiple New Year festivities, each one brimming with its own distinct flavor and charm. From the traditional Khmer New Year, known as Choul Thmey, to the globally recognized International New Year, the culturally rich Chinese New Year, and even the water-drenched festivities of Songkran, the Thai New Year Cambodia, truly offers a kaleidoscope of celebrations. Each of these events is a spectacle in its own right, steeped in tradition, infused with joy, and an embodiment of the country's rich cultural heritage. So, let's dive into the top events that make up the New Year celebrations in Cambodia. First on our list is the well-known Khmer New Year, or Choul Thmey, as the sun paints the sky with hues of pink and gold. Marking the end of the harvesting season, the people of Cambodia prepare for the most anticipated celebration of the year, Choul Thmey, the Khmer New Year. The celebration lasts for 3 days, starting from the 13th of April, and it's a time when the streets come alive with laughter, joy, and a sense of unity that is palpable. Choul Thmey, translating to Enter New Year, is deeply rooted in the history of Cambodia. It marks the end of the harvest season when farmers enjoy the fruits of their labor before the rainy season begins. This time-honored celebration is not just about bidding farewell to an old year and welcoming a new one, but it's also about paying homage to their ancestors and seeking blessings for a prosperous year ahead. Traditionally, the celebration of Choul Thmey is quite a spectacle. Water fights become the order of the day, symbolizing purification and the washing away of sins. Children and adults alike take to the streets, armed with water guns, ready to drench each other in a playful display of camaraderie. Food, of course, plays a significant role in the festivities. From sweet rice cakes wrapped in banana leaves to the piquant flavors of traditional Khmer dishes, the air is filled with the mouth-watering aroma of Cambodian cuisine. The preparation and sharing of these meals bring families and communities together, strengthening their bond. A visit to the temples is also a key part of the celebration. Dressed in their finest clothes, the Cambodian people head to the temples to make merit, offer food to monks, and participate in the ceremonial washing of Buddha statues. These rituals are believed to bring good luck and blessings for the new year. Choul Thmey is a celebration filled with joy, laughter, and a sense of unity among the Cambodian people. It's a time when the country's rich culture and traditions come to life, creating a vibrant tapestry of colors, sounds, and experiences that leave an indelible mark on the heart. Next, we have the International New Year, which is celebrated worldwide. In Cambodia, this occasion is embraced with open arms, despite the country's rich history of traditional New Year celebrations. The International New Year, also known as the Gregorian New Year, is celebrated on the first day of January, just like in many other parts of the world. So how does Cambodia, a country known for its unique culture and traditions, celebrate a holiday that's so universal? Well, the answer is with an intriguing mix of Western customs and Cambodian flair. It's a blend that captures the essence of modern-day Cambodia, a country that's deeply rooted in tradition, yet open to global influences. As the clock ticks closer to midnight on December 31st, the excitement in the air is palpable. The cities light up with dazzling fireworks that paint the night sky with a multitude of colors. It's a spectacle that's not to be missed, as it symbolizes the country's optimism and hope for the upcoming year. But the celebrations aren't just limited to the urban areas. In the heart of the countryside, where the pace of life is slower and the tradition stronger, families gather to share meals and spend quality time together. It's a time for reflection and gratitude, as well as anticipation for the new beginnings that the new year promises. In the cities, the party scene comes alive as nightclubs, hotels, and restaurants host grand celebrations. The streets are filled with music, laughter, and cheer, creating a festive atmosphere that's infectious. Whether you're a local or a visitor, you're sure to be swept up in the fun and excitement. And let's not forget the spirit of giving that's synonymous with the new year. Cambodians, known for their warm hospitality, exchange gifts and well wishes, further strengthening their bonds of friendship and family ties. The International New Year in Cambodia is a blend of Western traditions and Cambodian hospitality. It's a celebration that perfectly encapsulates the country's vibrant spirit and its ability to seamlessly blend the old with the new. Third on our list is the Chinese New Year, a significant celebration for Cambodia's Chinese community. This vibrant festival, also known as the Spring Festival, is steeped in history, tradition, and mythology, and has been celebrated for over 4,000 years. The influence of Chinese culture in Cambodia is profound, particularly in the realms of art, architecture, and cuisine. The Chinese New Year, with its unique customs and traditions, adds to this cultural tapestry, offering a vibrant spectacle that's both visually and culturally engaging. The festivities kick off with lion dances, a traditional Chinese dance performed in a lion costume to bring good luck and fortune. These dances are a feast for the eyes and ears, with the colorful costumes, rhythmic drumming, and acrobatic movements of the dancers creating a mesmerizing spectacle. Adding to the excitement are the red envelopes, or hongbao, as they're known in Chinese. These little packets filled with money are given out as a symbol of good luck. The color red is believed to ward off evil spirits and bring prosperity. So don't be surprised if you see a sea of red during the celebrations. Now, let's talk about food, an integral part of any celebration. The Chinese New Year is no exception. The food served during this time isn't just delicious but also symbolic. Long noodles represent a long life. Dumplings shaped like gold ingots stand for wealth, and sweet rice balls symbolize family togetherness. Each dish is carefully prepared and enjoyed with family and friends, creating a warm festive atmosphere. The Chinese New Year in Cambodia is a beautiful blend of tradition, symbolism, and camaraderie. It's a time of renewal, a time to honor ancestors, and a time to celebrate life with loved ones. And while it's a Chinese festival at heart, it's embraced by Cambodians of all backgrounds, making it a truly multicultural event. The Chinese New Year adds another layer of multicultural richness to Cambodia's New Year celebrations. Last but not least, we have Songkran, the Thai New Year. Despite its Thai roots, Songkran has found a home in the heart of Cambodia due to the close cultural ties between the two nations. This celebration, usually taking place in mid-April, adds an extra splash of color and fun to the Cambodian New Year festivities. Songkran is a festival that's all about water, symbolizing purification and the washing away of sins and bad luck from the previous year. The streets come alive with water fights, where everyone, from children to grandparents, armed with water guns, buckets, or even garden hoses, engage in playful warfare. It's a sight to behold, as the cities turn into giant, joyous water parks, and laughter echoes from every corner. But Songkran isn't just about the water fights. It's a blend of fun and spirituality, a testament to the rich cultural tapestry of Southeast Asia. Amidst the water-soaked festivities, you'll find people engaging in a tradition of sandcastle building. These aren't your typical beach sandcastles though. They're carefully crafted at temples, symbolizing the Buddhist concept of impermanence, showcasing the belief that all conditioned existence is transient. The spiritual aspect of Songkran shines through in religious ceremonies that are integral to the festival. People visit temples to make merit, offering food to monks, and participating in the ritual bathing of Buddha statues, a practice believed to bring good luck. Songkran, with its playful water fights and spiritual undertones, brings a different flavor to Cambodia's New Year celebrations. It's a festival that beautifully marries the secular and the sacred, the jovial and the solemn, reminding us of the dualities that exist in life. As the water washes over you, it's as if you're being given a fresh start, a chance to wash away the old and welcome in the new. So if you're in Cambodia during Songkran, be prepared to get wet and have a whole lot of fun. To sum up, New Year in Cambodia is a multifaceted celebration. The country's calendar is punctuated by 4 main New Year's observances, each offering a different flavor of cultural immersion. First, there's Chnam Thmey, the Khmer New Year, which brims over with local customs, traditional games, and sumptuous feasts. Then we have the International New Year, a more global affair marked by fireworks and festive gatherings. Next is the Chinese New Year, a vibrant display of lion dances, red lanterns, and family reunion dinners that reflect the strong Chinese influence in the country. Lastly, we have Songkran, the Thai New Year, which is celebrated with a splash, literally, as water fights take over the streets. These celebrations encapsulate a blend of local traditions and foreign influences, testifying to Cambodia's rich cultural tapestry. No matter which celebration you choose to partake in, experiencing New Year in Cambodia promises a unique and unforgettable experience.